the 2014 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van leads among competitors in its segment. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. It includes power seats, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.